Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What I've got here is a SEARS Kenmore model 158.523 sewing machine. So this is a very early 158 series Kenmore sewing machine. It uses a cam in the top of the machine here in order to create a zigzag stitch and other stitches, decorative stitches. Very important that you don't lose this cam, otherwise you have a straight stitch sewing machine. There'll be no more zigzag. Fortunately this one has it in there. I just did a basic cleaning, polished the hook and a few other things on the machine. The belt was a little loose, it needed to be lubricated. Timing was checked on it, and the drop feed was frozen, so I've got that working again. But I'm just going to quickly show you here how to thread this machine in case you get one of these and you're not quite sure. So let's take a look at that. You'll want to start by placing your spool of thread on your spool pin and having the thread coming off the back. Go over here, this is called a pig's tail thread guide. Go through that, come forward, there's another pig's tail thread guide. It's very important when the thread comes down that you go through this guide, have your presser foot in the up position, and get the thread in between these pressure discs right here. You can see me wiggling them. This is set on 4 right now, but there's no pressure because I have the foot up. Then you're going to want to go underneath, come up, and catch the take-up spring right here. You want to make sure that that's the way your thread looks. You'll want to bring it up through your take-up lever, back down. There's another pigtail guide right here, then down through this guide, and through the, you can drop the pressure foot now just to get the thread through from the front of the needle to the back. It's important that the scarf of the needle is facing the rear of the machine. That's where the hook's going to pick up the thread. Okay, I'll do a quick demonstration with this sewing just to show you how it works. The controls on this machine are quite simple. Your stitch length lever is right over here. You just turn it counterclockwise to make the stitch longer and clockwise to shorten your stitch. Lift it up, it's spring loaded. When you lift it up, you'll go in reverse. So I'll set it on number 3. This dial here is your zigzag width. It goes from 0 to 4. 0 is a straight stitch, go to a 4, that's your widest zigzag stitch. So let's go ahead. This does have a light on it. I'm going to leave it off because you don't have to turn the light on this machine in order to sew with it. And this is just 2 layers of light fabric. I'll just go ahead and run a straight stitch back tack. And I'm going to bury the needle. Turn my material around here. I'm going to go all the way to a 4 on the zigzag and run it up to about a 1.5 just to shorten the stitch length a little bit. Now we can go right into a zigzag stitch. I already did a little stitching on this fabric just to kind of check my tension and everything. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. That's the stitches on the front and the back. This machine makes really nice stitches. And okay, so that is the SEARS Kenmore 158 sewing machine. If you liked the video and you learned anything about how to thread this machine or operate it, leave me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.